The next few sections deal with multiplying polynomials, and we're going to start off with some special cases, but they might lead you to some like incorrect conclusions. So I want to make sure we understand that like basically when you multiply a polynomial by a polynomial, you have to multiply every part of this by every part of this, every part of this by every part of this. It's basically like a huge distributive property where I'll take this 4 and multiply it by everything over here. So this is what goes on in my head. I wouldn't actually write this out this way. But it'll be 4 times all the stuff over here, and then I'll also do like a negative 3x times all the stuff over here. So negative 3x times all the stuff in the other set of parentheses. So everyone gets multiplied by everybody. In these two examples that we have here, it's a special case where we have a thing called a conjugate. And a conjugate basically means, if you notice, it's the same numbers, like it's a 4 and a 4 and a 3x and a 3x, so that is all the same, but one's plus and one's minus. Those are called conjugates, and they're a special case because their answer ends up being the same pattern every time, so maybe you'll see that pattern. Same thing over here, these are conjugates because they're both 4m, they're both 5, and one's plus and one's minus. But regardless, so you'll see a pattern and you'll like recognize maybe a shortcut, and if you see that and you want to use it, feel free. But I do want to point out that we definitely are, regardless of the shortcut and the pattern that emerges, we are doing 4 times both these things and then negative 3x times both these things. And also notice this, when I see like a minus, I think of it as a negative 3x. I'll think of, so just keep that in mind. So here we go. If I do this, this is just a distributive property, so it's going to be 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 3x is 12x. Think about this as a negative 3x, so negative 3x times 4 is negative 12x. Negative 3x times 3x is negative 9x squared. And then we're going to combine our like terms, so these middle terms are alike. And they totally, in this case, cancel each other out completely. And our final answer will be 16 minus 9x squared. That's our final answer.